Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Foodie, and today we're making my delicious Creole Chicken Pasta. Creamy and tasty, this satisfying dish is always a crowd pleaser. Perfect for the season. So let's get cooking. This is a couple chicken breasts cubed into bite-sized pieces. They're about ½ inch, which is the perfect size for this application. They can be cut into strips, but I prefer them this way. Alright, so we'll go ahead and season the cubes with ground sea salt. I should have used a bigger bowl, but anyway, I'll stir and add more salt so they're evenly coated. Then, freshly ground mixed peppercorns. Yes, use a bigger bowl. And Creole seasoning. To get my homemade blend, click on the top right corner of your screen. When the meat is nicely coated, we'll move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add our well-seasoned chicken cubes and saute them until no longer pink, about 5 minutes. When they're done, and don't overdo it, using a slotted spoon, we'll transfer them to a bowl and set aside for now. Next, we'll make the sauce. In the same skillet, we'll add a tablespoon of oil and then add the white onions as well as the celery and also a mix of peppers. I've got here some red, orange, and poblano peppers. So if you have a little bit of everything, it's time to use them. We'll give a quick stir before seasoning with ground sea salt. We'll saute the veggies for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add pressed garlic, although it can be chopped, and of course you know the drill. We'll quickly saute it for 1 minute. To this, we'll add more Creole seasoning. That's why it's called a Creole Chicken Pasta. And mix it to coat. Boy, that smells good. Then comes the seeded and chopped tomatoes, also known as tomate concassée in French. And we'll stir for a couple of minutes. We'll now pour in the chicken broth, stir well, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. We'll cook it down for 3 minutes. When time is up, we'll reduce the heat to medium and add our heavy cream. We'll blend it with the rest of the ingredients and cook for 3 minutes before returning the chicken cubes, including any accumulated juices. We'll stir, increase to medium-high heat, and bring the mixture back to a simmer. When it gets there, we'll cook for 2 minutes and let's not forget to taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. The sauce won't be thick, so to fix it, we'll add a cornstarch slurry. I prefer this over a flour slurry, and I explain why on the blog, so check it out. We'll stir until the sauce thickens. About 45 seconds. It's that fast. As soon as you see the sauce thicken, reduce the heat back to medium, okay? Next, we'll add our cooked and well-drained pasta. And the one I choose for this recipe is penne rigate. We'll stir until the pasta are nicely coated with the sauce, transfer to a serving dish, and sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our Creole Chicken Pasta. Creamy, flavorful with a little heat, this tasty recipe is one you can enjoy any time of the year. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit creolefood.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!